How to fix quantum fiber internet not working. So to be able to fix this issue, the first thing you can do is to power cycle your equipment. Unplug your modem and router from the power outlet, wait for 60 seconds, plug the modem back in and wait for it to fully power on. Plug the router back in and wait for it to fully power on. Now, second thing you can do is to check the fiber box. Examine the optical network terminal, often a small box where the fiber cable enters your home. Ensure all connections are secure and that any indicator lights are displaying normal activity. Consult your quantum fiber documentation for specific light patterns. The third thing you can do is to inspect the wiring. Visually inspect all cables, including the fiber optic cable, for any signs of damage or loose connections. Be careful when handling fiber optic cables as they are sensitive. Fourth thing you can do is to check your account status. Log into your Quantum Fiber account online or contact customer service to verify that your account is in good standing and that there are no billing issues preventing service. Fifth thing you can do is to run a speed test. So once you have established a connection, run a speed test to ensure that you are receiving the speeds you're paying for. And lastly is to bypass the router. Connect a computer directly to the modem to see if the problem lies with the router. And that is how you can basically fix quantum fiber internet not working.